my dear friends, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a hair elasticity test. So what is hair elasticity? Is the measure of how much your hair is able to stretch and return to its normal shape. And according to Google, healthy hair when wet, it is able to stretch up to 50% of its original length and return to its normal shape without breaking. So why is it important for you to know the elasticity of your hair? It will help you in knowing the kind of products to apply to your hair, because hair with poor elasticity is very weak and it is prone to breakage. So this will help you in fixing problems like that, because when your hair has a poor elasticity, it can be fixed by applying protein treatment. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 simple steps to know the way to test the elasticity of your hair. And if you are interested in this video, then watch my video to the end. If you're new to my channel, you are very welcome. You can support my channel by subscribing and liking my video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So without much talking, let's get started. So friends, here we are, and for the first step you need to separate a smaller section of your hair, as you can see. Then spray water to that hair, because for effectiveness we need to do this test when our hair is wet. And that's why I am wetting my hair. And after doing that, the second step, you gently stretch and release your hair. And then the last stage, you evaluate the results. And this is how to evaluate the results. When you see your hair bouncing back and returning to its normal shape, it means your hair has great elasticity. And then the second step is that when you stretch your hair and it slightly stretches, it means your hair has good elasticity. And the last thing, when you stretch your hair, it easily breaks and it does not return to its former shape, it means you have poor or low elasticity, and that means you need to do a protein treatment. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know what you think about this test. Do you think my hair has a great elasticity, good elasticity, or poor elasticity? So that's all for this video. Bye, see you in my next video.